we just got this car from a customer. It needs a brand new motor. There's a lot of rod knock in cylinder 2. So we're replacing it with a new motor, a high mileage stock, just staying stock as normal. And yeah, so that's going to be another Honda Civic motor swap. Not a fun swap like the K series, but still a cool project. So let's see what happens with that. Yeah, we're gonna have to push it. Oh. Oh. Twitchy, twitchy, twitchy. Oh.
Stuff is vibrating off of it!
We need to take that road trip to San Diego.
Road trip to San Diego.
Bye. Bye.
Yeah, that's what this is. Oh.
Steamy. What?
Yeah.
What? Oh. Oh!
Yeah, that spring shouldn't be there. That should be behind something. The frame rails on this also look like that, so. It's like taco.
Oh yeah. Okay, now
All
it's interesting.
twisted and mangled.
Yeah, and you thought my frame was bad on the Ranger?
Well, I thought yours was bad because I could grab it and flex it by hand.
Would you like to explain to us as to why we have ratchet straps on the spring?
Because whoever sells this kit to lift the truck sells longer shocks than springs. So lifting it up like this, the spring would literally fall out of its perch.
And homeboy didn't install no limiting straps. So.
And he didn't tell us about it. So when they fell out, I was like, yay, at least the diff didn't hit the ground because the shock is still hooked up.
All of the swag.
I need a hammer too.
Yeah. Color coordinated. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Why do you want my foot?
I was going to use it as a hammer.
There you go.
All right.
So much swag.
I told you I was going to use it. Undo this because this is like stuck together. The line in this thing. So I'm just going to undo that and take it out.
Master?
Yeah.
You know, unbolt the slave.
Yeah. Can you grab me the step down from over there? It's the black one.
Ah! It was only almost the death of me. Step down. Step down. Step down.
Yeah.
Step down.
Yeah.
The day in the life of a step down.
Old, new, peeing.
It's okay, Brandon. We'll all have a leaking issue when we're older. So this is another project car we took on. It's a Miata we got from a different shop. And it's got lots of issues. Basically, they were in the middle of building it and putting it back together and everything with a turbo kit. But it was a kind of shop that doesn't do that normally. So the shop kind of called around and found us and said, this guy wants to drop off his Miata and have you guys finish the project for us. And, you know, we work on Miatas all the time, so we said, sure, why not? It's going to take a lot of work, but it's going to be fun to see where it goes. New addition to our shop after the last video I posted. He just wants to replace it with a new one. This is now a permanent decoration at U-Wrench, which is pretty cool because we're gonna run out of wall space by the time Brandon's done racing next. Alright, so we got the transmission out of the truck that we're doing a clutch job on, and Brandon's gonna pressure wash it because it is covered in grease and oil and grossness and nastiness, and yes. Go ahead.
Thought there was dowels on it, but there's not. Wow. Oh, that's pretty glazed over. See how shiny that is?
Yeah.
I can see myself. Material was getting down there. Probably good that it got replaced. I think that's the most glazed I've ever seen one. Hey, you hold this flywheel while I break this loose, bro?
Got it.
5, 4, 3. I'll just drop it on the floor.
Someone's foot.
Yeah, we're on an airline.
Then we'll need to replace another airline.
Fred's good at that.
Yeah.
Hit it with the air chisel.
Hit it with the peen. The air peen.
Air peen.
That's what ARP stands for.
Oh,
Why does it look
seal's
like
leaking.
orangutan jizz in the corner?
Trying to be it.
After we shot it, 45 minutes of prep, different brands.
It's actually kind of like
Kind of pretty? Yeah, that's what I was
like
thinking. It's kind of pretty.
pink silver.
That's a good spot for this.
Perfect. It is meant to be.
It's a truck garnish.
Truck ornament. It wasn't leaking too bad,
No.
but it was leaking.
Don't start filming with that hash brown in your mouth.
Anytime you're doing a cam or a crank seal, inspect the surface of the rotating part, because a lot of times they get, look at, you see that nasty ass groove right there?
Uh-huh.
See that? You see that shit? You see my eye? You see it?
My God.
That is not good. And if you put the seal back exactly where it was the last time, it's just gonna piss oil out all over the place, because that is no longer how wide it's supposed to be, right? So it doesn't have a proper seal against your new seal. Seal.
Seal can't seal.
Seal can't do the sealing, dude.
Sealception.
So what you gotta do is you gotta install the new seal in a slightly different spot than where it's supposed to be, so that it doesn't ride on that or that. Actually, that's not that bad. That looks like it just took the coating off the crane.
Actually, disregard everything I just said.
Yeah, it's totally fine. Oh, well, out came part of it.
Maybe it was high to keep it.
Oh. Look at that. Science, math, geometry. The furthest in part is now removed, which means we now reinstall everything.
Wow!
I did it all by myself! Oh!
Trying to kill me?
Yeah, actually.
You're doing a bad job at it.
So the guys are finishing getting the transmission in. I couldn't get any footage because I was handing them tools and then operating the lift, but it's in now.
I'm gonna say it looks like the front main seal is leaking like we told them it was,
Oh, lovely.
because it looks like it's flinging it all over this radiator hose, and it's literally leaking off the hose.
Oh yeah.
Because the water pump doesn't leak oil.
All those comments about being the cleanest shop. It's because this is how we clean up.
Multi-tool.
The broom is our most prized possession. Baby bee!
Check it.
He's so cute. Brandon is finishing putting the drive shaft in. We've already bled the clutch,
Hopefully.
hopefully to a point where it's good. I don't know. We have to see.
We'll check it.
And then Brandon needs a 19. He's throwing stuff at me! I have been getting tools for them all day today. So, do you need a ratcheting wrench or just a normal?
A ratcheting
19.
socket.
Oh, I thought you wanted a wrench.
I mean, it's a socket wrench.
You're a socket wrench.
Whoa! You guys need counseling.
You need counseling.
Your mom goes to church.
Just got the shifter in.
Bolted in. I'm not going to do the boot as of yet, just because.
Might have to take it out.
Yeah, I don't know yet. But I'm going to see if it works.
I've been kind of helping the guys mostly because there's not much I can really help with. So I've been doing like the lift and handing them tools and stuff. But I'm trying.
Well, I know you didn't get to see it, but she also put the training on her shoulder.
Oh my god. In case you're wondering, it's straight header. So I'll show you guys. Oh, where are ya? Where is the pipe? Oh, there it is. Ow! That was my head. There it is. Just straight header. Both sides. Not really sure why he decided to do that. Also, I just smacked my head on some metal. So, ow.
And look underneath it and make sure there's no huge leakies, and then call it a day.
Here at U-Wrench, we call them leaky leakies. In case you're wondering, yes, I have to hop to get into this and out of this, and there are no oh shit handles hanging, so I can't lift myself up. I have to crawl to get into this truck. but it works. All right, now time for my part of the job, which is calling the customer to let him know it's ready and that he can come pick it up whenever he's ready. Hey Garrett, sorry all over at you, Wrench. Just calling to let you know the truck is done.
Okay.
Of course, no problem. We'll see you in a bit. And job's done. So